James from ACME Kitchen and Bath. We're here in North Buffalo going through old house, tons of character. This has been a prolonged project. This year we did 3 bathrooms we just finished up. Last year we did the kitchen. Very different style from what we're used to, but the homeowner had a really good vision and they knew exactly what everything was going to look like. So we worked together with ACME Kitchens on the cabinetry and brought his dream to fruition. So let's take a tour. ACME has a custom line, so these are solid cherry cabinets. They decided to do with furniture feet on the bottom, so the detail work and the prep work and getting that floor perfectly flat and ready to receive those cabinets. A little bit of a project on this older house, but it absolutely came out awesome. Huge built-in pantry for that nice china that you got. Big farm sink. The customer is huge into cooking, so it was really nice to have a big prep space for them. They went with a solid surface for the backsplash, and we integrated that into the window sill. Brass hardware on everything. We did this awesome laundry chute for the hand towels, so even that got custom done through cherry too. Details really came together on this one. Very unique floor, all new VCT tile, very easy to clean. They went with a larger stove, so they did a very modern looking range hood. Over here on this side of the kitchen, we did a nice custom bookshelf for all the cookbooks and all the stuff that he likes to have in the kitchen. We got a nice big peninsula here. It's a nice breakfast spot and communal area. As you can see in the original pictures, there used to be a big island right here. Kind of chopped it up a little bit. It wasn't convenient for cooking. We're here at the master suite. This was a complete change. They had a big steam unit shower. Oh, they got ripped out, re-leveled the whole floor. This customer wanted the heated floors, so we do have a heated floor underneath the tile. Really cool pattern, coming from most abstract to least abstract. Gorgeous shower tile, nice big niche in there, all brass finishes down to the outlet covers. For the vanity tops in all 3 of these bathrooms, we went with Roush woodworking out of Elma. All custom cherry. Customer had a vision, and they sent us over the pictures. We did a mock-up, and they were able to get exactly what they wanted. A nice exposed bottom with the furniture feet, very modern look. They had a nice mirrored thing here, so we brought a little bit of that tile in from the bathroom, keeping with that nice brass trim and tying in that solid surface from the top over here into this space, still allowing to have the mirror in the back. So we're up here on the 3rd floor now. This was more or less a facelift in here. We did do a whole new tub, all new tile, all new valve and everything. Quartzite for the vanity tops, cherry for the vanity, chrome hardware, all new floor, new medicine cabinet, and just a little lighting upgrade. In here, this was more of just a facelift in this space, so went through, did a whole new floor in here. Custom millwork here from Roush Woodworking. Custom medicine cabinet here. Solid surface from International Stone. Still finishing off with the brass finishes. So in addition to kitchens and bathrooms, one of the things we took care of here, the customer had 2 gorgeous fireplaces that they just wanted a small facelift on. So we did all the demo work. We did all the tile and really just kind of put a new facelift on everything there and kept all the old and great character that's inside the home. So thank you for taking this tour with us. Anything inside a house we can take care of. But if you're looking for that vision to be brought to fruition in that kitchen or into the bathrooms, or you need help on the design side or starting something from scratch, give us a call. We'd love to come out and meet with you.